Hi, I'm Leah, a product manager at Squarespace. Today, I'm going to show you how to refine your website's product, service, and store pages to improve your shopper experience, maximize conversion, and scale your business. From content and design to navigation and merchandising, Squarespace makes it easy to present and organize everything your customers need to feel confident making a purchase. Here's how you can transform your website into a revenue-driving storefront that works for you around the clock. First, we'll check out new ways to add, edit, and reuse sections on product and service pages with more flexibility. Pages that include the right details are more likely to build trust and prompt visitor action. Under the first section of each product or service page, you can now add custom supporting content with our drag-and-drop editor, either starting with a blank section or getting inspired by our library of pre-made designs. Not sure what to add? Think like your target audience. What would you need to feel confident enough to book or buy? This may include logistical information, testimonials, product videos, and more. Once you have your sections in place, you can add new block types, upload your assets, play with layouts, and add design touches. By further customizing these pages, you'll present the full value of what you offer while reinforcing your brand or aesthetic. Keep in mind, your customers are living on their phones. More than half of Squarespace purchases happen on mobile, so it's worth taking the time to make sure your site looks just as good on a small screen as it does on desktop. Together, these improvements turn website traffic into sales. Now let's explore list layouts for store pages. These are new design frameworks to make your listing more browsable and easier to compare. Start by going to your store page. You'll already see your listings organized in a grid. By switching to a list layout, you keep all the same images, titles, and prices for each listing, so scanning and comparing details only takes a few seconds. This also includes a few new improvements, like inline add to cart buttons and the option to reveal descriptions. Last, let's see how the new filters on store pages help shoppers narrow down options to find the right fit. Some of the most useful filters are related to logistics like location or instructor name, social proof like bestsellers, or audience categories like men's or women's. Let's see how to add them to your site. On your store page, go to Edit section, and then go to the Filters field under the Elements tab. From here, I can add a new filter and customize the label, but it won't actually work until I add corresponding tags to my products. This happens in the Product Editor. From the Organization tab, I can easily add tags that match what I have in my filter label. When I go back to my filter, I can assign that same tag and any others that are also applicable to a listing. You'll now see the filter button appear at the top of my store page using styles that match the rest of my site design. And that's it. To recap, you can build trust and drive action with custom supporting content on product and service pages. A list layout makes your store page more scannable and mobile friendly. And using filters helps shoppers find exactly what they're looking for faster. No matter how you structure your pages, Squarespace gives you everything to create an exceptional online experience and drive stronger results. Jump into Squarespace to try it all yourself. And remember, you've got this.